Every sheet of plywood begins its journey deep in the forest. Only selected trees are harvested to meet industrial standards. Logs are processed on-site for efficient transport. Quality control begins before the factory is even reached. Each load is balanced for safe, long-distance hauling. Nothing moves until every log is secured. From forest paths to industrial roads. Raw timber moves fast to prevent material loss. This is where raw wood meets precision engineering. The transformation begins the moment logs touch the yard. The factory process begins with controlled intake. Outer bark is removed to protect cutting machinery. Only clean wood moves forward. Nothing is wasted in modern sawmills. Every log is graded before cutting begins. Size determines the cutting strategy. Moisture control ensures plywood strength. Precision begins before the blade touches wood. The heart of plywood production awaits. Here, solid logs prepare to become thin layers. Rotation sets the rhythm for precision cutting. One log becomes hundreds of uniform layers. Consistency is maintained from start to finish. Even the core finds its purpose. Exact dimensions define structural strength. Technology ensures only usable layers continue.
Human judgment complements automation.
Preparation is key before moisture removal. Controlled heat transforms raw veneer. Drying stabilizes every future bond. Dry layers are ready for bonding. Adhesive chemistry defines plywood strength. Uniform bonding begins here. Cross-layering creates structural stability. Human precision perfects automation. Pre-pressing prepares for final bonding. Heat and pressure do the heavy work. This is where plywood is truly formed. Bonded layers emerge as a single sheet. Stability is locked before final shaping. Precision begins at the edges. Every millimeter matters. Smoothness defines quality. Clean processes protect performance. Small flaws are corrected, not ignored. Uniform thickness ensures reliability. A clean surface reveals the truth.
Only approved panels move forward.
Each sheet carries its identity. Finishing complete, testing begins. Before shipment, every sheet must prove itself. Precision is verified, not assumed. Bond integrity defines durability. Strength is measured under pressure.
The finish must meet visual and tactile standards.
Plywood must resist real-world conditions. Compliance makes plywood market-ready.
Testing complete. Delivery begins.
Finished panels are prepared for shipment. Protection ensures damage-free delivery. Each load is identified and secured.
Logistics keep production moving.
Storage bridges production and delivery.
Every order follows a precise plan.
The final transfer begins. Products leave the factory ready for use.
And this is how modern factories produce plywood from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.